Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare kangkong leaves for cooking. First, choose kangkong with bright green leaves and sturdy stems, avoiding any yellowed or wilted parts. Next, wash the entire bunch very well under cool running water to ensure all dirt is removed. Then, separate the tender leaves from the firmer stems. Cut the stems into pieces about 1 inch to 2 inches long, and the leaves into slightly larger sections, around 2 inches to 3 inches. This preparation ensures even cooking. Now, let's dive into the basic stir-frying method. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 small sliced shallot, sautéing them for approximately 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Introduce the kangkong stems first, stir-frying for 1 minute, then add the leaves. Continue to stir-fry for just 2 to 3 minutes until the leaves are wilted but retain a pleasant crispness. Kangkong is incredibly versatile, allowing for many delicious flavor variations. For a classic savory taste, simply add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce during the final minute of cooking. If you enjoy a bit of heat, incorporate 1 to 2 sliced red chilies along with your garlic and shallots. For a unique, umami-rich profile, try stir-frying with 1 tablespoon of fermented bean curd, also known as taku, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, let's talk about serving and enjoying your delicious kangkong. It's best served immediately piping hot, either as a vibrant side dish or alongside a generous portion of steamed rice. This versatile vegetable pairs wonderfully with grilled fish, roasted chicken, or various other Asian-inspired main courses. Remember, the key to perfect kangkong is to avoid overcooking. You want the leaves to be tender yet still retain a slight crispness and their beautiful green color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.